Hi students, welcome to Chaitanya Mathematics Academy classes. So intermediate maths 2A chapter start कर रहे हैं. Chapter name is binomial theorem. Okay, long questions, gunshot problems. Okay, first question is, if the coefficients of four consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are a1, a2, a3, a4 are a4 respectively, then show that a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 equals to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. Okay, solution of first problem, 7 marks gunshot questions, binomial theorem chapter. Okay, the coefficients of four consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are a1, a2, a3, a4. Okay, so that is, let a1 equals to ncr minus 1, a2 equals to ncr, a3 equals to ncr minus r plus 1, and a4 equals to ncr plus 2. Okay, ncr minus 1, ncr plus 1, ncr plus 2. Okay, now LHS, let LHS is, what is the LHS? LHS is, let LHS equals to, what is the LHS? a1 by a1 plus a2, a1 by a1 plus a2, and next one is a3 by a3 plus a4. Okay, a3 plus a4. Okay, so numerator is a1, so write a1 as it is. From denominator a1 is the common, डिनोमिनेटर में से क्या कर रहे हैं अपन, a1 को कॉमन निकाल रहे हैं. सो a1 चले गए तो 1 रहता, इसमें a1 नहीं है फिर भी कॉमन निकाल रहे बोले तो डिवाइड विथ a1. Okay, a1 is the common, but in a2 there is no a1 means divide with a1. Okay, same thing next one also, a3 as it is, let a3 common. To cancel a1, a1 is common. To cancel a3, a3 is the common. a1 को कैंसिल करने के लिए a1 कॉमन निकाले, a3 को कैंसिल करने के लिए a3 कॉमन निकाले. So a3 is the common means remaining 1, and in this there is no a3 means divide with a3. Next, see, a1 cancel, a3 cancel. Okay, so from numerator there is only 1, denominator LCM is a1. Okay, a1 into 1, a1 plus, so from this one a1 cancel means what is the remaining, 1 by 1 plus a2, substitute a2 value. What is a2 value? ncr. Okay, by next a1 means ncr minus 1, ncr minus 1. Okay, substitute, just a substitution a2 a1. In this also 1 means denominator is a1 plus a4. What is a4? ncr plus 2. Okay, ncr plus 2 by a3 means ncr plus 1. Okay, a3 value is ncr plus 1. Just substitute करें अपन only a2 a1 a4 a3 substitute करें, कुछ भी नहीं करें उसमें. Now 1 by 1 plus, this is the formula, ncr by ncr minus 1 means ये दो को माइनस करो, n माइनस ऑफ r माइनस 1. क्या कर रहे, ये दो को माइनस कर रहे, बाई यहाँ पे बेस में क्या है वो लिख रहे. क्लियर? ओके, सो ncr माइनस 1, यहाँ पे r है, यहाँ पे r माइनस 1 है, कंटिन्यूस नंबर्स रहना. r में से 1 निकाल दिए तो ये आ रहा, यहाँ पे भी इसमें से 1 माइनस करे तो r प्लस 1 आ रहा. ऐसा कंटिन्यूएशन ऑर्डर में रहा तो अपन ये फार्मूला यूज कर सकते. ओके, formula of NCR by NCR minus 1 is n minus of r minus 1 by r, right? ये कंटिन्यूएशन नंबर्स रहना, न्यूमरेटर में बड़ा नंबर रहना, डिनोमिनेटर में छोटा नंबर रहना। एक बार देखो इसमें से 1 माइनस करे तो ये आ रहा, तो ये बड़ा नंबर है, ये छोटा नंबर है। इसमें से एक नंबर माइनस करे तो ये नंबर आ रहा r प्लस 1, इसलिए ये बड़ा नंबर है, ये छोटा नंबर है। ओके, इफ दिस फॉर्म सो वी कैन यूज द फार्मूला n माइनस ऑफ, ऐसे फॉर्म में रहा तो क्या करते, n में से इसको माइनस करना, n माइनस ऑफ r माइनस 1, यहाँ पे बेस में क्या है वो लिख रहे। सेम थिंग दिस वन 1 प्लस n में से r प्लस 1 को निकाल देना, n माइनस ऑफ r प्लस 1 बाई बेस में क्या है यहाँ पे r प्लस 2। क्लियर? ओके, देन नेक्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर एलसीएम, न्यूमरेटर 1 एज इट इज, there is no number means 1, denominator LCM is r, so r into 1 r plus denominator LCM, ये दो सेम रहा तो न्यूमरेटर को एज इट इज लिखना, n एंड माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करे तो माइनस r, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 1। ओके, सेम थिंग प्लस 1 बाई LCM is r plus 2, LCM is r plus 2। okay, and in this same there is no denominator means multiply with direct r plus 2, r plus 2 into 1 r plus 2, again see denominator LCM same means numerator as it is, so plus n as it is, multiply with minus, minus r and minus into plus minus 1। okay, see plus r minus r cancel, in this also plus r minus r cancel। okay, this one is, this fraction become reverse, okay, reciprocal, r into 1 r by n plus 1 and plus this one also fraction become reciprocal means r plus 2 into 1 r plus 2 by n and plus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1। okay, see again LCM, denominators, both the denominators are same means LCM also same term n plus 1, denominator LCM same, denominator LCM same means numerator as it is plus again see denominator LCM same means numerator as it is। okay, so r plus r 2r plus 2 by n plus 1। clear? So this is the LHS value. Next RHS value. okay, so what is the RHS? 2a2 by, so LHS value completed. Next RHS value, what is the RHS? 2a2 by a2 plus a3। okay, same process, कुछ भी टफ नहीं है, कुछ भी टेंशन नहीं है, right? a1 is there, to cancel a1 let a1 is the common, a3 is there, to cancel a3 is the common, see in numerator a2 is there, to cancel a2 let a2 is the common। okay, right, so 2a2 by 2a2 as it is, from the denominator a2 common, a2 common means there is no means 1 means in this there is no a2 means a3 by a2। okay, same thing a2 cancel, in remaining term substitute the values, 1 plus what is the a3 value? a3 value is NCR plus 1, NCR plus 1 by a2 value is NCR। okay, right, so 2 by see 1 plus see इसमें से 1 माइनस करे तो ये आ रहा मीन्स यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में बड़ा नंबर रहना, डिनोमिनेटर में छोटा नंबर रहना। ओके, सो माइनस फ्रॉम दिस वन इज वी कैन गेट दिस वन, इसमें से 1 माइनस करे तो ये आर आता है, इसलिए ये बड़ा है ये छोटा है। ओके, देन वी कैन राइट द फार्मूला इज n माइनस आर लिख के ये बेस में क्या है r प्लस 1, सो राइट r प्लस 1। clear? okay, so that implies same thing, 2 numerator as it is, there is no number means direct LCM is r plus 1, डिनोमिनेटर में एक ही टर्म है ना, सो वही LCM लिख सकते हैं अपन r plus 1, एंड देर इज नो डिनोमिनेटर मीन्स डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई विथ r plus 1, r plus 1 into 1 r plus 1 plus denominator LCM same means numerator as it is n minus r. Okay, right. Next plus r minus r cancel. Okay, so the fraction become reverse, r plus 1 become reciprocal, means r plus 1 into 2, 2 of r plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so that implies multiply with 2, 2 into r, 2 into 1, 2 into r, 2 into 1 by n plus 1. This is RHS value. Okay, LHS value is 2r2 plus 1 by n plus 1, RHS value also 2r2 by n plus 1. That implies LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Okay, so what is the LHS? LHS is A1 by A1 plus A3, okay, sorry, A2, and plus A3 by A3 plus A4. That implies RHS is 2A2 by A2 plus A3. Okay, this is the first solution of the first long question in binomial theorem chapter. Okay, now the second question is, okay, so the second question is binomial theorem long question, second problem is completed. Now the second problem, if 36, 84, 126 are three successive binomial coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, then find n value. Okay, so we have to write the expansion. Let the binomial coefficients, let the three binomial coefficients, three binomial coefficients are NCR minus 1, NCR and NCR plus 1. NCR minus 1, NCR and NCR plus 1. So let NCR minus 1, NCR and NCR plus 1. Okay, let equation number 1. So first one is can be taken as NCR minus 1 equals to first one. NCR minus 1 equal to 36. NCR minus 1 equal to 36. Okay. Three successive binomial operations NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1. In the question given coefficients are 36, 84 and 126. We have to find out the value of n. Okay, so equation 2 by equation 1 करेंगे, divide 1 equation 2 by equation 1. Okay, LHS by LHS, RHS by RH. Equation 2, LHS by LHS, NCR by NCR minus 1, okay, and equals to RHS by RHS, 84 by 36. Okay, 84 by 36. Right. So NCR, the previous formula, this one is big number, this one is small number. Okay, so इसमें से 1 निकाल दिए तो ये आ रहा, बोले तो ये बड़ा नंबर है, ये छोटा नंबर है. Then formula is minus of this one, n minus of r minus 1 by r. Okay, previous solution में use करे थे, and 12 3s cancel करे तो 12 3s 12 7s. Okay, right, 12 3s 12 7s, 7 by 3. Okay. Right. Okay, that implies, so 7 by 3. Okay, right. So that implies cross multiplication r, 3 multiply with minus, minus r, minus into minus plus 1 equals to 7 into r. Cross multiplication कर दिए और minus से multiply कर दिए, 3 into and 7 into. Okay, multiply with 3, 3 into n, 3n minus 3 into r, 3r plus 3 into 1, 3 equals to 7r. Okay, so 3n plus 3 equals to r terms one side कर रहे, 7r as it is, minus 3r become plus 3r. Okay, so that implies 3n plus 3 equals to 7r plus 3r 10r. Okay, so that implies 3n plus 3, 10r means multiply 10 become divisible 10. okay, equals to r. So now we have r value is 3n plus 3 by 10, okay. With the help of r value we can find out n value, okay. Equation 2 by 1 equation 2 by equation 1 complete होगा. Now equation 3 by equation 2 करेंगे n value के वास्ते. Equation 3 by equation 2, LHS by LHS, RHS by RHS. So what is the LHS? NC r minus r plus 1 by NCR, okay, equals to 126 RHS by RHS, okay. So that implies next one same thing, okay. So इसमें से 1 माइनस करे तो ये आ रहा, r प्लस 1 में से माइनस 1 करे तो प्लस 1 माइनस 1 देन r, ओके. सो वी कैन यूज अगेन द फार्मूला n माइनस r. सो n माइनस r बाई r प्लस 1 by r plus 1 equals to 126 by 84, okay. So cancellation is with 126 by cancellation with 4 2 जा 4 से कैंसिल नहीं होता, 3 से कैंसिल करेंगे, 3 2 जा 6, ओके. 3 2 जा 6 मीन्स 2, 3 6 जा 3 8 जा 24, okay. 3 2 जा 6 and 2 remaining 24 means 3 8 जा 24, okay. 3 4 जा 3 2 जा, okay. 3 4 जा 12, 3 2 जा 6. So equals to 42 by 28, okay. 42 by 28. Again 7 6 जा 7 4 जा, okay. Again 2 2 जा 2 3 जा, okay. Final answer is 3 by 2. So n minus r by r plus 1 equals to 3 by 2, ओके. सिंपल नंबर से कट करे, 126 बड़ा है बोल के समझ में आने के लिए डायरेक्ट कट नहीं करे, सिंपल नंबर से करे, ओके. राइट, देन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 इंटू n माइनस r एंड देन 3 इंटू r प्लस 1, 3 इंटू r प्लस 1, ओके. सो मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2, 2n माइनस 2r इक्वल्स टू 3 इंटू r 3r प्लस 3 इंटू 1 3. सो n वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, n वैल्यू लेफ्ट साइड में रख के रिमेनिंग राइट साइड ले लेंगे. 3r प्लस 3 एज इट इज, माइनस 2r बिकम प्लस 2r, ओके. 2n एज इट इज, सी 3r प्लस 2r 5r प्लस 3, okay. We have r value, then substitute r value. What is the r value? 3n plus 3 by 10, 3n plus 3 by 10, okay. R value substitution completed, then plus 3, okay. 5 1 5 2, okay. So 3n plus 3, what is the LCM? LCM is 2, okay. LCM is 2. So 3n plus 3 as it is, plus 2 into 3 6, okay. So that implies 3n plus 3 into plus 6, plus 3 plus 6 means 3n plus 3 plus 6 9, okay, by 2. So which is equals to 2n equals to, okay. Now cross multiplication 2 into 2 4n equals to 3n plus 3, okay. Plus 3n become, to the left side is minus 3n equals to 9, okay. 4n minus 3n is n equals to 9. So the required answer n equals to 9, okay. Equation 2 by equation करे, 1 करे, equation 3 by equation 2, okay. This is the solution of second long question of binomial theorem chapter, okay. Next third question. Now the solution of third one, okay. This is the question of third one, long question of binomial theorem chapter, okay. If the second, third, fourth terms in the expansion of a plus x whole power n respectively 240, 720, 1080, we have to find out a, x, n values, okay. Second term is 240, third term is 720, fourth term is 1080, okay. Second term, term number 2 means second term, so t2 equals to 240, okay. T2 equals to 240 means T2 means NC2 means 1. कोई यहाँ पे 2 रहा तो यहाँ पे क्या करना 1. बाइनोमियल थ्योरम का ये 2 रहा तो क्या करना 1 रहना. और यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन में फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है a है एंड सेकंड टर्म क्या है x है. ओके, a के पावर क्या लिखना, ये 2 को माइनस करके a के पावर में लिखना. ओके, x के पावर क्या लिखना, यहाँ पे जो पावर बेस रहता वो पावर x को लिखना है. ओके, सो T2 का फार्मूला लिखे NC1 एंड ax, a पावर क्या लिख रहे n-1 एंड x पावर 1 इक्वल्स टू 240. Okay, let this is equation number 1. Same thing T2 complete होगा. Next third term is 720. Third term means T3. T3 equals to value is given 720. Okay, T3 means NC. 2 रहा तो यहाँ पे 1 लिखे, 3 रहा तो क्या लिखना 2 लिखना. सेम A लिखना x लिखना, A लिखे x लिखे. a पावर क्या करना, ये 2 माइनस करके लिखना n-2 एंड x पावर क्या लिखना, यहाँ पे बेस में जो रहता वो लिखना एंड इट इज इक्वल्स टू क्या है 720. ओके, लेट इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ओके, देन T4 फोर्थ टर्म आल्सो गिवन, फोर्थ टर्म गिवन इज 1080. ओके, सो दैट इम्प्लाइज NC 3 रहा तो 2, देन 4 मीन्स 3 and first term is a, second term is x. A power is n-3. Okay, and x power is base 3 and it is equals to 1080. Okay, let this is equation number 3. Equation 1 completed, equation 2 completed and equation 3. Same previous solution. Let equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2 by equation 1. Okay, what is the equation 2? NC2, LHS by LHS, RHS by RHS. LHS means NC2 a power n-2 x power 1 by equation 1 का LHS क्या है NC1 a power n-1 x power 1. ओके, सॉरी यहाँ पे 2 लिखना है, 1 लिख दिए. ओके, यहाँ पे बेस में 1 रहा तो 1 and this one base is 2 and this one base is 3 means this one is base 2. Okay, clear, x square and RHS by RHS 720 by 240. Clear? Okay, right. Next see 1x cancel. Okay, then 0 cancel. 12 table में 12 2s are 12 6 and then 2 1 2 3. Clear? So NC2, see NC2 by NC1, 2 is the largest number, 1 is the small number. Okay, ये big number है, ये small number है. Okay, so इसमें से 1 निकाल दिए तो ये आ रहा बोल तो क्या करें, प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में करे जैसा n-1 by 2 then into a power n-2. Okay, so plus a power n-1 it will become reciprocal. a power n-1 चले ऊपर चलेगा तो क्या होता है, इसका साइन चेंज होता, प्लस n become minus n, minus 1 become plus 1 because bases equal means powers adding. ये ऊपर चलेगा तो साइन चेंज होता, minus n plus 1 and 1x cancel means remaining 1 more x equals to answer is 3. By 1 means 3 only. Okay, right. Next n-1 into a power plus n minus n cancel. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. Okay, into x equals to 2 is divisible, it will become into to the right side, 2 into 3 6. Okay, so n-1 into x, a power minus 1 become to the denominator a power 1. Okay, sign will be changed, numerator से denominator में आ रहे या denominator में से numerator को जा रहे बोले तो power का sign change होता. Okay, power sign will be changed to the numerator to the denominator and to the denominator to the numerator also. Okay, so minus 1 become plus 1, a power 1 equals to 6. Therefore n-1 into x equals to 6 and divide into a, divide become multiply 6a. Now we have the value n-1 of x equal to 6a. Let equation number 4. क्लियर, इक्वेशन 2 बाई इक्वेशन 1 कंप्लीट होगा. नाउ इक्वेशन 3 by equation 2. Previous part is same, equation 3 by equation 2. Okay, what is the equation 3 LHS? NC3 a power n minus 3. NC3 a power n minus 3 x power 3 by equation 2 LHS is NC2 a power n minus 2 x power 2 equals to right side RHS by RHS 1080 by 720. Okay, 1080 by 720. Okay, now same thing, ये बड़ा नंबर है, ये छोटा नंबर है, इसमें से 1 माइनस करें तो ये आ रहा, बोले तो ये 2 को माइनस करना. ओके, n माइनस 2 बाई बेस क्या है 3 लिख दिए. सेम थिंग a पावर n minus 3 and denominator power become reciprocal, plus n become minus n, minus 2 become plus 2. Okay, x square cancel, ऊपर x 3 टर्म्स है, नीचे 2 टर्म्स है. So x cube x square means x square cancel means remaining 1 more x. Okay, now 0 0 cancel. Same again with 12 table, 12 6 12 9. Okay, 12 6 are 72 and 12 9 108. Okay, 9 by 6. Okay, so n minus 2 into और cancel होता, so a power plus n minus n cancel, minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1 into x. Okay, so 3 into 2 3 into 3 table में cancel हो रहा, 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, 3 by 2 and divide 3 become multiply into 3. Now n minus 2 of x, a power minus 1 to the denominator is a power plus 1 equals to 3 into 3. So by 1 product of numerators by product of denominators. Okay, so n minus 2 of x equals to 9 by a become into a and this one by 2 become into 2. Cross multiplication करें, 2 into this one and a into this one. Okay, now this one is equation number 5. Okay, so see the fourth equation is in 6a term and equation 5 is in 9a term, means equation 4 by 5 or equation 5 by 4. So let equation 5 by 4, equation 5 by equation 4. So same thing, LHS by LHS and RHS by RHS. What is the LHS? 2 into n minus 2 into x by next n minus 1 of x, LHS by LHS and RHS by RHS. 9a by RHS is 6a. Okay, see x cancel, a cancel. Okay, and 3 table 3 into 2 3 into 3. Okay, 3 into 2 3 into 3. Now multiply with 2 into n minus 2 into 2 4 by n minus 1, that implies 3 by 2 remaining. Okay, cross multiplication means 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2n minus 4 and right side is 3 into n minus 1. Cross multiplication करें, 3 into n minus 1. Okay, multiply with 2 into 2 4n minus 2 into 4 8 and right side multiply with 3 into n minus 3 into 1 3. Okay, n terms one side, constants one side. Okay, so 4n as it is and plus 3n become to the left side is minus 3n and minus 8 become plus 8, already minus 3 is there. 4n minus 3n n 8 minus 3 5. Okay, so finally n value completed. Okay, we have to find out actually a value, x value, n value. Just from this part we can get only n equal to 5. n value only complete होगा. next a value find out करना है और x value find out करना है. Okay, Okay, from equation number 4 we have equation number 4. From equation 4 we have the value n minus 1 of x. N minus 1 of x equals to 9a. So we have n equal to 5. Okay, 5 minus 1 of x equals to 9a. 5 minus 1 means 4x equals to 9a. Okay, so from this x equals to 9a by into 4 become divide 4. Okay, so 9a by 4. Sorry, 9a is the answer is 6. I think you can write mistake here, 6 we have to write. Okay, from equation 4 the value is 6. Okay, so 6a means answer is, final answer is 6a by 4. Okay, 6a by 4 means we have to cancel 2 into 2 and 2 into 3. Okay, so with 2 table x value is 2 into 3 and 2 into 2 means x value is 3a by 2. Right, so x value completed but not perfect completed. A value find out करके इसमें substitute करे तो तब x value complete होता है. Okay, so this value we can substitute in any one equation, then we can get from 1 to 3 we can get a value. Okay, from equation number 1, so we have equation 1 is nc1 a power n minus 1 x power 1. Okay, so from equation number 1 we have nc1 a power n minus 1 x power 1 equals to 240. Okay, right, substitute n value. We have n value 5c1 and a power n minus 1 4 and into x power 1 means x equals to and 240. Okay, substitute x value. We have x value na, x value is 3a by 2. Okay, equals to 240. Right, so 5c1 means 5c1 value is 5. Okay, a power 5 minus 1 a power 4 and into a power 1. Okay, equals to 240 into 3 by 2 become reciprocal, 2 is divisible, it will become multiply, 3 is in multiply, it will become divide. R reciprocal means 2 by 3. Okay, so a power 4 plus a power 1 means a power 5. Okay, now 3 into 1 R 240 as it is into 2 as it is by 3 as it is. 5 is in multiply, it will become divide. Clear? Okay, so 3 into 1 3 8 24, 3 into 8 24, 0 as it is, and 5 1 5 1 5 6 means a power 5 equals to 16 into 2 32. Okay, 32 can be written as 2 power 5. 32 को क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन, 2 power 5 means 2 को 5 times multiply करे तो 32 आता. So a power 5 equal to 2 power 5. Therefore powers equal means bases equal, or bases equal means powers equal. Now a equals to 2 complete होगा. Perfect n value 5 complete होगा, perfect a value 2 complete होगा. Now substitute the a value in x term. Okay, substitute a value in x term. So we have x value is 3a by 2. Okay, substitute the a value. What is the a value? 3 into a value is 2. Okay, so by 2. Okay, 2 cancel means remaining 3. So x equals to 3. So therefore n value is 5 and a value is 2 and x value is 3. Clear? Find the n, a, x value means n value, a value, x value complete. Okay, problem number 3 of long question binomial theorem chapter completed. Okay, next to fourth problem. N equal to 5, a equals to 2, x equal to 3 completed. Okay, right. So if you like the class, please like the class and share and subscribe. Thank you.